How to use Google Maps offline without internet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Google Maps offline without any internet. So first of all, just simply open your Google Maps, and after that all you have to do in order to use Google Maps offline, just simply search for the location that you would want to use in the future when you know that you will not have internet connection over there. So I'm going to select a location of my preference. So for example, I have selected a CP New Delhi, and after that all you have to do is just simply scroll the menu bar at the left hand side, and over here you will be able to see this three dot menu icon which says more. Just simply tap on it and you will have the option called download offline maps. Just simply tap on it, and now you can also hover the area in the while dragging or pushing the bar in the screen itself, which is showing you right here. And after that, just simply click on download, and now it will ask you to use the download and just simply verify that you want to download this particular location. And the download has been started, as you can see. And once the location has been downloaded successfully, then you just simply have to close your internet, and when you will open the Google Maps, you will be able to locate this particular location even without internet, as I will show you. And once your map is downloaded, just simply switch off your internet, and after that you can also remove the map from the background apps. And once it is once your internet connection is shut down, just simply open your Google Maps again. And after that, as you can see that right now I'm offline, but when I zoom into this particular location that I've just downloaded, you can see that I can access the Google Maps offline with all the areas and things that I want to locate over here. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to use Google Maps offline without internet. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.